Hello friends. Sharda Engineers was formed in February 2018, almost 3 years ago. And since then, we have supplied number of machines for sheet and tube processing applications. And all machines are working satisfactorily in the market. Many of our customers call us to freeze the scope based on their requirement and then write machine as per their application. Of course, pricing is important, right pricing. And then after ordering, proper hand holding and after sales support is very important. We focus on that. Me and my service engineers visit all our customers regularly. We see that machines are in optimum use as per their applications and also helping them for faster ROI. And many of our customers told us that their ROI was quite good. Some of customers told us that in 6 to 8 months they got ROI, and for sheet and tube laser cutting machines they got ROI in 1.5 to 2 years, which is quite good as per industry norms. And we enjoy good relations with all our customers. We get repeat orders from them and also references. So Sharda Engineers is the name which you can trust. Thank you. Thanks to all our existing customers and potential customers. We thank you all.
We bought JQ laser machines 1 year back, and they have excellent after-sales service and they are working perfectly fine.
This is PK Agarwal. I am the founder and CEO of PPS International in Greater Noida. I know Sharad Avasthi since 2 years and I found him to be a genuine person, quite dedicated, and he knows the job. 2 years back we procured one laser cutting machine and one laser welding machine. Both are working okay in our company from last 2 years, and he has been quite fast in giving the after sales service support on behalf of his Chinese counterparts. Thank you very much.
We bought JQ machine in 2017. Initially we had some problem, but now machine is working very well and satisfactory condition. Service is very good. We have some English and Chinese language problem, but rest of the thing is very good. We initiate to JQ that we buy our first machine in India. Second machine in India. Good machine.
I'm from Accurate Selling System. We manufacture the shelf for the supermarkets and racks. The cutting quality also is good. It's very user friendly. It's helping lot of critical dimension we can use in this machine. The response we got from the JQ is also very nice. They are good people and going good everything.
Myself Amit Agarwal. I am the director of Agromech Engineering Private Limited. I know Mr. Sharad Avasthi since 2007. He is a very genuine and reliable person. I have purchased most of the machines through him and his support was more than satisfactory. Thank you.
I am Vetugas. My experience in JQ as a service engineer has been very grateful. We are committed to give instant after sales support to all our customers within 24 hours as per JQ is a policy.
Hello everyone, myself Ritvis. We at Sharda Engineers Faridabad offer high quality products at right prices and provide instant after sales service for right value for money. We strive for excellence. Thank you all for joining us in this exhibition.